Good morning, students. Today we start our last chapter, that is Tux Paint, chapter number 9. In the previous chapters we learn about the Microsoft Paint, that is Fun with Paint. So Tux Paint is similar to the Microsoft Paint, but the Tux Paint have more advanced feature which is not present in Microsoft Paint. So what are that advanced features are there that we learn today one by one with the help of this video. After that we solve the question answers and also we solve the sample paper too. So just watch this video, then we start with the question answer session.
Tux Paint is a paint program designed for children. It has many ready-made tools that help you to make beautiful drawings. Let us first learn how to start the Tux Paint. Click on Start button. Choose All Programs. Select Tux Paint. Choose Tux Paint, Full Screen option. You will get the following window. Okay children, let me tell you that the selector contains two buttons on it, up and down arrows button. Let us now learn how to start a new drawing. Click on New button from the toolbar. You will get color boxes and starters to start a new drawing. Click on the down arrow button to see ready-made pictures and background. Select the drawing and double-click on it. The picture will appear on the drawing canvas. Okay, let us now find out how to color the drawing. Click on the magic tool from the toolbox. Click on down arrow button and select Fill Magic Effect from the selector. Select any color from the color box. Click on the drawing to fill the color in it. Let us now talk about the paint tool. It is used to paint and draw anything that you like. It is similar to a brush tool in MS Paint. When you click on Paint tool, many brushes will appear in the selector. Choose any brush pattern. The pointer shape changes to paintbrush. Press the left mouse button and drag. The pattern will be drawn. Now, release the mouse button. Alright, now we shall learn how to erase the drawing. The eraser tool is used to erase any part of the drawing. Click on Eraser tool. Press and hold down the left mouse button and start moving the cursor on the drawing. The drawing will be erased. Students, note that the starter is like a page in a coloring book with black and white outline of a picture. Now, let's learn how to save the drawing. Click on Save tool from the toolbar to save the drawing. Okay, let us learn how to close the Tux Paint. Click on the Quit tool. A box will appear. Click on Yes button if you want to close. Click again on Yes button if you want to save the file before closing. Alright, now we shall learn how to open the drawing. Click on Open tool. Select the drawing that you want to open.
Okay student, hope you understand this chapter. It is so simple. The Tux Paint have a free tool or a free software, so you can download this software also. I will send you the link how to download the Tux Paint software. Before that, we start with the question answer session.
Label the different parts of Tux Paint window.
We have to label the Tux Paint part here. In your textbook on page number 62 you have a screen. So same, there are some labels. So same labels we have to give here. We start with the middle one. So this is called a drawing area. Next we go to the right side. So this upside arrow is called as a up arrow. They are showing some tools here, so it is called as a selector. And this is called down arrow. Next, go to the left side. Here this is called as a toolbar, which is present in a tools. So this is called as a toolbar. Next, this is called as a color box. So in this way you have to write the name or label the different parts. Next,
match the following.
So in the match the following, first is magic tool. So in your textbook there are different tools informations are given. So along with the tools information, the icon also present along with that. So the magic tool means this one. Then next is eraser tool. So all of you know eraser tool is look like this. Next is a pen tool. So here written as a pen. And quit tool, it is give as a cross sign. So this way you have to complete the match the following.
Answer in one word.
In answer in one word, first question is which tool is the Tux Paint is similar to the brush tool of MS Paint. So basically the pen tool is similar to the brush tool in a MS Paint. Next question, name the tool that is used to erase the drawing. So all of you know with the help of eraser we can erase the drawing. Next question, which button is used to start a new drawing? So with the help of new button we start a new drawing. So in this way you have to complete your question answer. All the answers are present in the same chapter. And now we go to the next sample paper 2.
Choose the right answer.
So basically sample paper 2 is based on the chapter 6 to 9, that is Tux Paint. From the chapter handling a mouse, fun with a paint, draw and color shape, and Tux Paint. These 4 chapters is depends on. Now we start with the sample paper 2. So sample paper 2, first question is choose the right answer. Which device help us to move the pointer on the computer screen? So all of you know with the help of mouse we can move the pointer. Next question, the dash bar display the program name and the file name. So basically with the help of title bar we can display the program name or a file name. Third question, what do we call the slant arrow that display the movement of the cursor on the monitor? So basically it is called as a pointer. All the answers are present in the chapter number 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can check the answers also. Next question, when we select any icon on the desktop it turns to blue color, okay, and when we deselect it, it is showing a gray color. Next, a keyboard has a many buttons which are known as, all of you know, one single key is called as a key and many buttons called as a keys. means multiple keys are there. Okay, total 104 keys are present on your keyboard. Next question, the dash tool is used to erase any part of the drawing. So with the help of eraser we can erase the drawing. Now we go to the next.
Fill in the blanks.
In that first question, dash finger is placed on the left mouse button while holding down the mouse. So basically the index finger is used to holding the mouse. Next question, pressing and releasing the left mouse button is called clicking. And if you want to open any item or open any icon, you have to double click on that item or a icon. Next question, the dash key is move the cursor to the next line. So basically enter key move the cursor to the next line. Next question, to move an item or object to a new place on the screen is called dragging. Answer is here, dragging. Next question, the dash key erase the letter to the left of the cursor. So basically backspace key is used to erase the letter to the left of the cursor. Now next,
Write T for true or F for false statements.
so in the true and false, first one, to draw a polygon, select the polygon tool. Yes, it is true, you have to select a polygon tool. Next question, the slant arrow on the screen is called as a cursor. It is false because a slant arrow on the screen called as a pointer, mouse pointer. Next question, there are total 24 alphabet keys on the keyboard. So it is false. We all know there are total 26 alphabet keys are there. So these all 26 alphabets are present on your keyboard. Next question, to type text in a paint window, select the text tool. Yes, when you have to type anything, you have to select the text tool. Next question, double clicking on an icon, select the icon. So it is false. When you have to select anything or any icon, you have to just a single click. Okay, and if you have to open any item, you have to double click. Now next, last question is there, caps lock key is used to type letter in a capital. So it is true, with the help of caps lock key we can type a letter in a capital. Now next thing,
Answer in one word or one line.
so answer in one word or on one line. First question, what is mouse pad? Basically the pad on which we move the mouse, called as a mouse pad. Next question, name the two type of scroll mouse. So answer is ball mouse and optical mouse. Next question, list any 4 special keys. So there are multiple special keys are there, but the 4 I am writing the space bar key, caps lock key, enter key and arrow key. Space bar key, then caps lock key, next is enter key, and last is arrow key. Next question, what happen when we double click on an item? So when we double click an item, it will open. It will open. Next question, what does a group consist of? Basically a group consists of related commands. These all answer are present on
Match the
chapter
following.
6 to 9. This sample paper 2 is based on chapter number 6 to 9. So you can go through that chapter also. Next question, match the following. First is pen tool. So basically a pen tool, it is accessories. Next is caps lock. So the caps lock key is called as a special key. Just now I written in the special key. Next is optical mouse. All of you know, just now we are written the optical mouse is the type of a scroll mouse. Next, curve tool. So curve tool is a shape. Mouse is a input device, and 26 are the alphabet keys are there. Okay, so in this way student, you have to complete your sample paper 2 also. Write down the question answers related to chapter number 9 in your notebook along with the sample paper 2 also. If you have any query, any doubt, you can write in comment box. Thank you.